Hey guys, welcome to my channel called Nanotech. You can see this is a type C charging, and when you plug the charger it's not going inside. The problem inside have some dust or something. So now I show you how to clean this. You need a syringe like this and clean inside. See inside. Now try. Go inside. Check for the charge. You can see it's charging. So if you see your Samsung, iPhone or type C mobile not charging and not plug the charger or something problem like this, just clean the charging port and see it working 100% good. Also here the AUX headphone jack, you can see now it's charging. Thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Please guys, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.